The next thing I want to look at is castor oil, and I've got some good news. I'm not going to advise you drink it. But castor oil penetrates very deep, and it penetrates deeper than any other oil. So it can be used externally. And what it does, wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions. It can even break up a bone spur. It can break up tumours. I have known women have told me this, that's broken up lumps in the breast, and those lumps may be cysts or even breast cancer.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill passionately champions the use of food and natural remedies as a cornerstone of holistic health. Her approach is supported by a wealth of personal success stories from individuals who have experienced significant benefits from her methods. In today's video, we'll delve into the remarkable benefits and versatile applications of castor oil, a potent natural remedy with numerous uses. We'll also explore other health-enhancing foods. Make sure to watch until the end to catch all the crucial information. Dr. Barbara O'Neill is a strong proponent of the remarkable healing abilities of castor oil. She highlights that, although it should not be ingested due to its powerful laxative effects, it is an exceptional remedy when applied externally. Castor oil's ability to deeply penetrate the skin makes it a standout topical treatment. Studies indicate that castor oil packs can be highly effective in reducing inflammation, alleviating pain, and enhancing circulation. Applying castor oil can aid in breaking down abnormal tissue growths like cysts and tumors, offering a natural and non-invasive treatment alternative. Dr. Barbara O'Neill shares several success stories that highlight castor oil's impressive effects. For instance, one woman reduced a 3-centimeter breast lump to 2 centimeters within just a month of using castor oil packs before proceeding with surgery.
She said, an amazing thing happened, Barbara. That lump was 3 centimeters. I put the castor oil on for 1 month. I had the op, and the doctor said, you know, this is really strange. That lump was 3 centimeters. Now it's only 2.
Research and personal experiences indicate that castor oil packs can notably decrease the size of benign breast lumps. This natural remedy enhances lymphatic drainage and reduces inflammation, supporting the body's healing process. Additionally, castor oil is effective for various abdominal concerns. When applied to the abdomen, it can help with uterine fibroids, ovarian cysts, and digestive issues such as constipation.
Now, if castor oil is applied to the abdomen, it will heal any problems in the abdomen. So what have we got in abdomen? For a woman, there's the uterus. So that will penetrate and break up fibroids in the uterus. That will penetrate and break up cysts on the ovaries. That will penetrate and soften the colon if the person has constipation. That will penetrate into the colon and heal the colon if...
Research supports castor oil's benefits for abdominal health. Applying castor oil can stimulate the lymphatic system, boost detoxification, and decrease inflammation in abdominal organs, leading to better digestive function and relief from conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome and constipation. Additionally, castor oil's versatility extends to helping break up kidney stones and gallstones. Applying castor oil compresses to the affected area allows the oil's deep penetration to help dissolve painful deposits like kidney stones and gallstones.
So you can use it to break up gallstones. So you would put it, say, on the liver area under the right rib. You may put it at the back to break up kidney stones.
Scientific literature supports the effectiveness of castor oil in helping dissolve stones. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties make it a powerful natural remedy for relieving the discomfort caused by kidney and gallstones. Dr. O'Neill also emphasizes castor oil's benefits for managing joint issues, including bone spurs and arthritis. Its application can help reduce inflammation and pain, thereby supporting overall joint health.
I've known people that have had bone spurs, say on the knee, and they'll apply the castor oil compresses.
Research shows that the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help relieve arthritis symptoms and reduce bone spur formation. Its deep tissue penetration makes it effective for treating chronic joint pain and stiffness. Dr. O'Neill also explores the use of castor oil in addressing more serious conditions, including brain tumors.
I've also seen it help people with brain tumors. And what they do is they put it on the area. Remember, it'll penetrate very, very deep, break up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions.
Emerging research suggests that castor oil may aid in treating brain tumors by improving local circulation and promoting the breakdown of abnormal tissue growths. This makes it a valuable complementary approach to conventional treatments. Beyond serious conditions, castor oil also offers practical benefits for managing everyday ailments. For instance, it can be used to treat eye conditions like cataracts and glaucoma.
Now, an old bush remedy in Australia is if you get something in your eye, put a drop of castor oil in your eye, and that'll roll around and even take it out.
Clinical evidence indicates that the ricinoleic acid in castor oil can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes, potentially aiding in the prevention and treatment of cataracts and glaucoma. Dr. O'Neill also highlights castor oil's benefits for skin health, noting its ability to diminish scar tissue and promote healing. The effectiveness of castor oil in reducing scar tissue is well documented. Its application can improve skin healing by stimulating collagen production and decreasing inflammation, making it an excellent remedy for both new and old scars. In addition to castor oil, Dr. O'Neill explores a variety of other health-boosting foods, each offering its own unique benefits.
Internally to get the inflammation down. How often or a teaspoon 3 times a day? Sure. If it's the fresh turmeric, you would triple that dose. If it's dried, then you bring it back.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill also emphasizes the impressive benefits of turmeric in her lectures. Turmeric, particularly its active component curcumin, is well known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation, enhance brain function, and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory effects are beneficial for managing conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Moreover, its antioxidant properties help protect cells from damage, promoting overall health and longevity.
But the coconut oil is totally different. Underneath the tongue, there are sublingual glands called lingual lipase. And lingual lipase is an enzyme that breaks down short and medium chain fatty acids. So the coconut is unique in that the breakdown happens in the mouth. So when it comes down into the stomach, it's already having its breakdown.
Coconut oil is high in medium chain triglycerides, which provide quick energy, support weight loss, improve brain function, and benefit skin and hair health. Medium-chain triglycerides boost metabolism and help burn fat, making coconut oil a good choice for weight loss. Its antimicrobial properties fight infections, while its moisturizing effects keep skin and hair healthy. Adding coconut oil and other health-boosting foods to your daily routine can greatly improve your overall well-being. Dr. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes holistic health and the benefits of natural remedies like castor oil, garlic, turmeric, honey, apple cider vinegar, and coconut oil. Using these remedies and making informed choices can help support your body's healing processes and improve health. However, always consult a healthcare professional before starting new treatments and choose high-quality natural products for the best results. And there you have it, the remarkable benefits of castor oil and how it can transform your health in ways you might never have imagined. Whether you're dealing with joint pain, cysts, or digestive issues, this natural remedy could be the key to unlocking relief. Now, it's your turn to take action. Have you used castor oil or any of these natural remedies before? Or maybe you're considering adding them to your routine. Share your experiences, questions, or any tips in the comments below. Your insights could be the key to helping someone else discover the path to better health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy and improving your well-being. We've got plenty more videos on health topics that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.